Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tumpa and today's video is in collaboration with the brand Plum Goodness, and yes, they have sent me a PR package and it has one skincare product, one hair care product, one product for your body, that is a body mist, and one makeup product which is a beautiful matte eyeliner, black eyeliner. I'm really excited to tell you guys that Plum is having its 8th birthday sale from July 1st to July 4th, and you can get up to 50% off on all the products, whether skincare, hair care, and I'll be doing a quick mini review for the products which I have received from the brand Plum. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Now, Plum is a fresh line of 100% vegan beauty products, so it's all about being good to your skin, and their products are formulated to protect, repair and nourish your skin, your hair. So like I said, it's 8th birthday sale of Plum going on their website. So if you guys purchase products worth $12.99, then you can get a vitamin C moisturizer with a toner, and if you buy products worth $15.99, then you can get vitamin C moisturizer plus toner and eye mascara. Plus with every purchase you get free beads. And not only that, if you guys want to get 10% extra off, then you can use my coupon code which will be mentioned on the screen here, and it will also be given in the description box and in the comment section. And I will give you the link for all the products which I'm going to review right now for you guys. So I received all my products in this beautiful box, and inside this there was this green pouch and it is so good quality. So I received a body mist, an eyeliner, a shampoo and a serum. So let's get started with this review. So the first product which I actually used was the Plum rice water and Neocinnamide serum. Now this one is super hydrating, very good for people who have normal to dry skin. It is also good for people who have acne prone skin. Now it has Neocinnamide at 10% and this one is just amazing. I didn't expect this to be so good. Like after such a long time, I finally have a serum which is like made for my skin. My skin is little dry, like sometimes I get dry patches, sometimes it's normal, and also Neocinnamide helps you in reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and it has anti-aging properties because it's vitamin B3, and it is also good for acne prone skin because it reduces your post acne marks. You can use this serum during the day and at night, but I prefer using it at night. And also please do apply sunscreen during the day when you step out of the house, and even when you're inside your house, use a sunscreen daily. So yeah, I totally love this product. Now the next is the Plum Shampoo, and this is olive macadamia healthy hydration shampoo. I was actually thinking of trying this shampoo for a very long time and now I got it. And also I've heard that the hair mask also is very good in the same range, so I'm going to pick up the hair mask in this sale offer. Now this one is specially made for hair which is frizzy or dry, dull. If you have chemically treated hair or if you have bleached hair, then this is for you. I have used this shampoo today and I've also used it 2-3 times before this, and I totally love this. It's really gentle and cleanses your scalp, your hair nicely, and yeah, it has a very light fragrance and it's quite a lot of quantity. It is 300 ml and it is affordable, and yeah, all their products are, by the way, toxin free, they are sulfate paraben free, and it's vegan and cruelty free. So yeah, I totally love this one. In fact, my sister also loves this shampoo. The next one is the Plum Body Mist and Vanilla Vibes. Now this is a very warm kind of body mist. I'm not sure if everyone is going to like this, but if you like sweet and warm kind of notes, then this is for you. Now this is a body mist, so it is best to apply just after your shower, and in the video you can see I'm using it, and yeah, I feel like spraying it right now. So if you like perfumes or body mist which are not very floral, not very strong, and for everyday use, then go for this one. You will totally love it. And finally I have the eyeliner which is called I Swear by Matte Liner. The good thing about this eyeliner is that it just takes one stroke to apply. You don't have to apply again and again. It's super jet black, it's pigmented, so that's a good thing. And yeah, I just wish the quantity was a little more. It's just 3 ml for 375. I wish they would have just given 5 ml or 6 ml, and it comes with argan oil. So yeah, there you go, some nourishment for your eyes. It dries super fast. I'm wearing it today, and yeah, I totally love this. It has a hard tip and not a brush tip, and this is jet black, and I really like it. It's easy to apply for a wing liner, and this is how it is. So yeah, that was a mini short review for these 4 products. I'm super impressed with the Neocinnamide serum and their hydrating shampoo, which is olive and macadamia. And what are you waiting for? Start placing your orders now. There is sale going on up to 50% off. I'm going to buy the hair mask of this one, and I'm going to try out their other body mist. Like I said, you get 50% off on a lot of products, and you can use my coupon code to get extra 10% off. Plus there are freebies on every purchase, and one person gets to win iPhone 13 every day. So yeah, wish you all the luck, and thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and see me in my next video. Bye bye.